You may have heard of the prefab Lustron homes, made of mostly stainless steel, made in the late 1940s by the Lustron Corporation. A few were built in Atlanta, and a couple are still standing. But have you heard of the prefab Knox home, built of aluminum instead of stainless steel? They were built from 1959 to 1962, and there are hundreds of these homes still in the Atlanta area. America was still in the post-World War II baby boom in the late 1950s. Atlanta was booming during the late 1950s. Families were moving to the suburbs in large numbers. Many of these families were led by a veteran, having served in World War II, Korea, or both. The largest employers in Atlanta were General Motors, the Ford Motor Company, Lockheed, and of course, Eastern and Delta Airlines. With the GI Bill in hand, giving veterans a zero down payment loan to buy a home, starter homes were much needed. Enter Knox Homes. Knox started out as a lumber business in 1899 in Thomsen, Georgia. By 1947, the business had evolved into a company specializing in prefabricated homes. By 1958, Knox Homes had produced 15,000 homes. The company began a partnership with Alcoa Aluminum, and the majority of their prefabricated homes were completely sided and some were roofed with maintenance-free aluminum. Buyers could choose from several models according to their budget. These homes were particularly attractive to veterans who were able to take advantage of the GI Bill and put little money down. All over the Atlanta metropolitan area, Knox Homes partnered with builder dealers to market these space-age homes. The walls of the homes were largely constructed in their Thomsen, Georgia plant, near their company-owned gypsum plant. One selling point for these Knox homes was the fire-resistant gypsum walls. That, along with modern styling, birch cabinetry, and solid oak flooring, which was also manufactured in Thomsen, these made the homes low maintenance as well as economical. In 1959, Knox began developing a neighborhood named Holiday Hills in Forest Park, a small suburb just south of Atlanta. In 1940, Forest Park boasted only 577 people living in its city limits. By 1959, it was burgeoning with over 14,000 residents. A new interstate highway, I-75, was being cut right through what would become Holiday Hills. Enter a man named I.W. Cousins, who became one of the largest Knox home builder dealers in the Southeast. He had been in the automobile business as a Cadillac dealer before entering the home building business. He started using DuPont Lucite acrylic paint on the aluminum homes, the same paint first used on automobiles. His son, Thomas Cousins, was secretary of the company. Tom Cousins later developed CNN Center, the Omni, and the World Congress Center. A new community named Pineland, as well as Holiday Hills, showcased these mostly three-bedroom homes with circulating floor plans that provided access to the kitchen and bath and the bedrooms without having to go through the living room. According to their sales manager, a satisfied customer becomes our best salesman. In 1982, my husband and I purchased this Cape Cod model in Holiday Hills. It was our first home. The siding was sturdy aluminum, the shutters aluminum, Windows and trim, aluminum. Floorboard trim, yes, aluminum. Roof, you got it, aluminum. We only kept the house 3 years. We moved to a larger home, but after 60 years since it was built, her siding and roof are still original. She was truly a space-age marvel. After 1963, there weren't many aluminum homes built in metro Atlanta. Knox Homes began to manufacture mobile homes, and the business was soon purchased by another company, National Homes. The space-age aluminum trend was over, but the homes remain. They lived up to their promise of sturdiness and low maintenance. Many families made memories in their Knox-built home, and many more still do.